Knopa is a super cat in so many ways. He is a fantastic friend. He can sing and dance all day. Magic is all around. Knopa knows it and we do. Smile at us, play with us. We'll have fun, oh yes, it's true. Knopa is our bestest friend. He's a super cat. Who sneezed?
Vroom! Hey, watch out! All right, here I come.
Hey, my doll was there. Anyway, you're making me deaf with all the noise from your toy car.
Oh, bless you.
I don't need it. Don't you get sick, Jona?
I am not sick. You're the one sneezing.
That was not me.
Somebody just sneezed.
But that wasn't me.
Then who was it? There's no one else here. Maybe it's Knopa. Where is he?
Knopa is on a shelf in my room. But Knopa is just a toy kitten. And toys do not get sick.
Oh, then who sneezed? Don't you think that it's strange? No one's home, yet someone's sneezing. Oh, what if a sick ghost has settled in our house?
Whoa. There is no such thing. Stop scaring me. Let's go and see who it is.
No one's here.
Here neither.
No one's here too. No one's here.
No one's here. Let's go and check the attic.
You mean the haunted attic? Hey, is someone there?
We know that you are here somewhere. Hey, friends.
Did you guys see who just sneezed?
Oh, there!
Grumper? Grumper, what are you doing up here? The dust is making you sneeze.
Jona, that is not true. It's clean here.
We still need to go and clean his nose. What if it's really dusty? Let's use the vacuum to clean him.
Put that thing away now! That was a dumb thing to do. His nose is red. Maybe we can treat it with broadleaf, and it may relieve the irritation.
That's a good idea.
Oh no! Now it's gotten even worse. I think we need to bandage it now.
We don't have bandages.
But I have many ribbons I got from presents.
Bad idea. He isn't a present.
I don't understand. Grumper, what are you saying?
Knopa will help us.
What's happening? Knopa, what is Grumper saying? Purr, purr, purr. Meow, meow,
Knopa, tell them, leave me alone. You see, they wrapped me in ribbons, almost vacuumed me, and my throat hurts, and now I want to sneeze.
Grumper, I think you are really sick. We need to go and bring you to a doctor.
A doctor? The guy in the white robe? No way. He's just going to smear my nose and tongue and throat. It'll sting my nose. I'll lose my sense of smell.
Hey, what are you doing?
Mom,
We need to cure him.
Oh, indeed. His nose is hot. I'll take him to the doctor. Do not be scared. The doctor's nice. He'll give you a bone, and he will cure you. Now come here, my dear.
Oh, I'm so worried. What if Grumper gets worse?
Grumper's a hero dog.
Don't you worry now, Mona. Grumper's in good hands.
We're back home. Come on, Grumper. Such a good dog. Run along. I'll just park the car.
Grumper, you're okay.
I'm amazing. The doctor wasn't scary at all. He gave me a bone, checked me out, prescribed medicine. Now I'll be cured soon. Woo!
Good job, Grumper.
It's good that you did listen to Mom.
Let us not be afraid of doctors. Do you want to watch a new cartoon but don't know how to find one? Let me teach you. Just tap on the magnifying glass, then the microphone, and say, Kitten Knopa. Hooray! And there you go. And now let's watch.